Okay, you guys, today we're framing for a 10 by 7, and this is how the frame is supposed to be. This is a 2 by 6 all the way to the top, 2 by 6 for header, right in the middle a 2 by 6 for spring pad. Everything has to be flush in order for the door to work fine. Outside you can see that there's some anchors at the floor, treated wood. We dropped this header like 9 inches, and we enclose the size also about 10 inches. So we still got to do the siding, but that's how you're supposed to do a frame for a 10 by 7 door. And it's being done by A+ Garage Doors.